Welcome back.
Hi everybody.
I'm the Geeky.
How you doing? Trying to get down here. I feel like I don't want to spend so much time on these guys. I don't have a choice. Oops. Oh. This gun can be a little hard to control.
Okay. Keep your tail out of time safe.
Yeah, totally keep that tail out of my way.
She can't be distracted while she's playing a video game. What? So I read through the rule book for Ratchet and Clank.
Yum.
It seems pretty cool.
Yum.
I would like to play it at some point with people.
People would be nice. Seems like a long game. Oh my god, kill somebody.
Well, it's like I don't know how long it would be necessarily, but it's a game like Warhammer, you know, where
Stop! Ah! I got hit.
Missile crazy.
Well, I got hit, see, and it,
Figured things.
well, it made it, you know, made me go back.
But yeah, like it's a more in-depth game, I want to say.
Yeah.
But it seems pretty neat because like in Warhammer, like you take turns and basically like I'll do all of the stuff for my side and then you'll do all the stuff for your side and we go back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
But in Relic Knights, it goes like you take turns activating individual models.
Mm-hmm.
So like I just feel like it makes it
Sort of
more,
like chess?
kind of, yeah.
Not good at all.
So like you have like your cards laid out, and you have the timeline of the characters that you want to use.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like you know which characters are coming up, and so does your opponent. So you can kind of choose which ones are next to kind of work around each other, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But I just think like it would feel a lot more speedy because you're taking more turns more often.
Sure. Sounds like a long game. Get behind the thing. Oops. Guess I'll have to come out from behind the thing a little bit.
He looks so tired.
Well, is it because he's only got one thing left?
She's like, why do you let me get hit so much? Why?
That guy just tried to dodge.
Thankfully, he was unsuccessful.
There it is. Bam! Kind of feels like cheating.
Yeah, I totally. I remember doing the exact same thing for those guys.
Yeah.
To be honest, they're just so annoying to try to deal with any other way.
I think I got them both.
But yeah, looking at our closet full of games makes me miss Josh.
Hi, Josh, if you're watching. We miss you.
We do.
We like playing games. Tabletop. And otherwise.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Feel like something's gonna show up while I'm jumping across here.
Apparently they were supposed to be, but you already killed them.
Apparently. Suck if these guys killed me.
Hey, there's a light.
That's kind of close.
Was. Yeah, I was totally expecting you to get hurt by those explosions.
Totally.
Oh, you know what we're gonna have to do?
What's that?
Eventually, when we get like lighting in here,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to put makeup on to stop like these sort of shiny bits.
Do we really care that much?
Well, I don't care in terms of how I look, but I do care in terms of video quality.
I guess. I don't like that I'm gonna have to start wearing makeup.
And it's not really. It's not makeup as in, oh, you know, I'm gonna put on eyeliner and lipstick and.
Because I'm gonna be, you know, completely frank. I'm way too lazy for that.
Yeah. It's more. It would just be like the powder stuff.
Mm.
I
Can
don't
I
know.
jump across this?
I don't see any other ways to do it. To like. No. Oh, that works too.
Well, I didn't think that long jump would get me far enough. Oh, I nearly jumped without equipping the hook.
I'm really excited to eventually make our, to like upgrade the quality of our videos and stuff like that.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, get a good mic, get a camera.
Camera?
Yeah. You know, like an actual video camera.
Yeah.
A nice one.
Yeah.
Eventually.
Yeah.
You get a green screen so we can do fun effects.
Totally. Alright. Oh my god!
It's gonna be a while before we can do all these things for us.
Yeah, I think so.
It'll be fun.
It will be. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Hmm.
I had an idea. I don't know.
They always spring these ideas on me while we're doing the show.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're talking about the show, right?
It's like you don't want me to say no.
What?
Just
You didn't say no.
no.
Yeah, see?
Damn it. Damn it!
It's not an idea of, like, something to do, but I was just thinking, I don't know what would be better for us, whether it be to have, like, one good mic, like, in the center.
That's what most people do, isn't it?
That is what most people do. But I wonder if that would be best for us, or whether it'd be better to try to get, like, a little attach-on mic, because then we could change our levels accordingly. I don't know.
Pretty sure that you can just record two separate tracks at the same time that are set at different levels, and you can just switch between them, can't you?
I don't know. I don't know enough about. I don't know enough about recording, but we never covered anything like that in our audio-video classes. So.
Well, I watched a video of the Angry Video Game Nerd, of how he kind of goes around. Yeah, he goes around making his videos. And yeah, and that's one of the things he does. He records two tracks, one that's set, you know, so that when he's normally talking, and one that's a little bit lower, so that when he's yelling, he can just switch between tracks. Do I have one more guy over there? Yep.
Well, so in order to do that, he does that with his actual video camera, right?
I believe so.
So we need to have a video camera that actually has that option.
Damn it! Oh, that's such a long level. Oh.
I'd offer to take over, but we both know that would not end well. Not at this stage of the game.
It certainly wouldn't do much better.
No. Yeah.
And then you'd never finish. That was a jab. What? I'm so cool.
Cool.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Now why do I bother checking any of these? And I'm running out of money too. So much length. What you filming about?
Well, I'm just pondering whether or not the dual track thing. I wonder if it's actually two stereo tracks, or whether it's just two mono tracks that are recorded differently.
I have no idea what any of that means.
Okay, well, you know, a mono track is... Okay, a stereo track is one track for the left and one track for the right.
Left and right, what's?
Headphone, earbuds, or headphones.
Uh-huh.
Whereas mono is one track for both going to both units.
I see.
Anyway, that was surprisingly geeky. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below the video.
Woo!